Here's how to add scrolling in Figma, both up, down, and side to side. It's really straightforward, perfect if you're just starting out, and only takes a minute. First, grab the frame tool. You can just hit the F key. Draw a box on your canvas. Think of this as the window your users will look through, like a phone screen or a specific part of your design. Now, put your actual content inside that frame. This could be anything: boxes, pictures, text block. Here's the key part. Make this content bigger than the frame itself. Want vertical scrolling? Make your content taller than the frame. For horizontal scrolling, make it wider. In my example, I've stacked some rectangles vertically and made them wider, so I can scroll both ways. Next, select all those content pieces, right-click, and pick Add Auto Layout from the menu. This bundles them neatly into their own frame. Give this new frame a name like Scroll. Crucially, this scroll frame needs to stay inside your main frame. Now, click back on your main frame. Look over in the right-hand panel under the Design tab. Find the Clip Content option and make sure it's checked. This just hides anything sticking out beyond the edges of your main frame. Then, select your scroll frame again using the Layers panel. With it highlighted, go to the right panel and find the Auto Layout section. Bump up both the horizontal and vertical padding. Something like 50 pixels works well. This gives your content a little breathing room inside the scrollable area. Alright, time to make it scroll. Click the Prototype tab up in the top right corner. Select your main frame. You'll see an option called Overflow Behavior. Click that drop-down. Choose vertical scrolling if your content is taller, horizontal if it's wider, or pick both options if your content spills over in both directions like mine does. Finally, hit the play button up top right to preview your design. Try clicking and dragging inside your frame. Depending on how you set it up, you should now be able to scroll vertically, horizontally, or both. That's all there is to adding scrolling in Figma. If this walkthrough helped you, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up on the video and maybe consider subscribing to the channel. Feel free to drop a like in the comments too, so I know it worked for you and can say thanks.